Good morning. Just sitting here with the grandbaby, taking a moment to be still, listening to the birds, nature, connecting to source, to God, reflecting. My wife asked me, why is the baby so quiet? I don't have an answer for that. All I know is we just sitting there chilling. No devices until I picked it up to make the video. Anyway, no devices, no nothing, just being still. Sometimes, man, we got to unplug from the devices, from people, from the TVs, from all that, man. And just be still. Meditate, reflect, be in the moment, be in the present. Because the present is a gift. Anyway, man, I just wanted to share that little nugget with y'all, man. Just take some time, man, each day to stop. Be in the moment. Enjoy a moment without no disturbances, without no devices, without nothing. Just you and your higher power. Anyway, man, one love. Y'all have a good day. And believe in yourself, because I believe in you.